Why some traders improve quickly while others stay stuck making the same mistakes. The secret often lies in one powerful tool, a trading journal. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to write a trading journal step by step, so you can trade smarter, learn faster, and grow as a trader. Step 1. Before the trade, make your predictions. Step 2. During the trade, record your why. Step 3. After the trade, analyze the outcome. Step 4. Identify mistakes and lessons. Step 5. Track your progress. The first step starts even before you take a position. Write down your prediction. What do you see in the market? Is there a clear trend? A pattern forming? For example, I see your USD forming a double bottom on the 4-hour chart. I expect it to go higher. Also note your plan. Where is your entry point, stop loss, and target, so you can hold yourself accountable later. Step 2. During the trade, record your why. Now, as you enter the trade, ask yourself, why am I taking this position? What's the setup? For example, I entered at this point because the price retested a key support zone with bullish confirmation. My stop loss is 30 pips below and my target offers a 1 to 3 risk reward ratio. This setup keeps your decisions logical and removes emotional tradings. Step 3. After the trade, analyze the outcome. Once the trade is closed, it's time to reflect. Write down what went as planned. What surprised you? How did you feel during the trade? Were you patient or impulsive? For example, the price hit my target, but I got nervous when it pulled back. I need to work on trusting my stop loss. Step 4. Identify mistakes and lessons. This is the most important part. If you made a mistake, own it. Was it a misjudged setup? Was your stop too tight? Write it down. Then turn it into a lesson. For example, I'll avoid trading during news events, or I'll wait for confirmation before entering. Step 5. Track your progress. Over time, you'll start to see patterns in your trades. Maybe you're stronger at trend following, but struggle with reversals. By reviewing your journal regularly, you can fine-tune your strategy and build your edge in the market. As conclusion, a good trading journal isn't just a record of wins or losses, it's your personal roadmap to becoming a better trader. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your growth skyrocket. Thanks for watching.